Hello, this is Mrs. Hadaway, and today we are going to be adding decimals. Before we start, I want to remind you of a few things. First, the same things as usual. I will still be teaching you the same way. I will still expect you to write everything down in your notebook. I still expect you to log this lesson into your table of contents, and you are still responsible for this material. Things that are different: you can rewind this lesson and listen to it again. You can watch it in your pajamas, and you must complete a reflection in your notebook for this video. So let's start by adding it to your table of contents. Your page number may be different. I will be on page 3. It's Adding Decimals is the lesson, and for me, this is August 5th. You put the date that is appropriate for your lesson. It's important that you put the page number on top and the page number that's appropriate for your notebook in your table of contents. So when we get to a test, you can get quickly and efficiently to your test or to your notebook on the test, because remember, you get to use your notebook on every test in my class. All right, adding decimals. The main rule for adding decimals is line up the decimals. Big rule, okay? Make sure you have it written down. If you don't see a decimal, it is at the end of a number, like a period at the end of a sentence. All right. Adding decimals is exactly like adding whole numbers. All you have to do is line them up. Make sure that the decimals are in the right place, and then add the numbers. Then make sure the decimal gets to the answer. That's very important. So let's go and practice some numbers that have decimals in them. So let's start with 3.26 plus 2.4. We see where the decimals are, so we're going to line them up. Let's say 3.26. We want this decimal to go straight under this decimal. Then the 2 goes on this side, and the 4 goes on this side. We're going to put zeros under or above any numbers that don't have a number to line up with. So I'm going to put a 0 right here under the 6, just so it fills a space. So now I'm going to add them. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. These decimals go straight down just like that. And 3 plus 2 is 5. Our answer is 5.46, or 5 46 hundredths. Let's try another one. If I have 0.243, or 200 or 243 thousandths plus 2.4, which is 2 4/10, and I'm going to add them up. I'm going to say 0.243. This decimal is going to go straight under the previous number's decimal. I'm going to put the 2 on this side and the 4 on this side. And again, just add the zeros as space holders. And the 3 comes down. The 4 comes down. 2 plus 4 is 6. Those two decimals come straight down, and that 2 comes down. So my answer is 2 643 thousandths. Let's practice a couple on our own. 3.1 plus 2, 4.05 plus 3, 0.2, 0.053 plus 2.46. Once you have them copied, please press pause and work them on your own. All right, you can see the spacer I put under the 1. I brought the 1 down. 3 plus 2 is 5, and the decimal came straight down. You can see the spacer I put under the 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 2 is 2. 4 plus 3 is 7, and the decimal came straight down. 3 plus 0 is 3. 5 plus 6 is 11. I'm carrying my 1. 0 plus 4 is 4, plus 1 is 5. My decimal comes straight down, and 2 plus that spacer 0 is 2. For credit for watching this video, you need to write a few sentences on how to do these problems and write 3 problems for a classmate to do. One needs to be easy, one needs to be medium, and one needs to be difficult. And this needs to be done in your notebook for credit. Thank you for your attention today.